Welcome, friends. Today we are going to show the impact of Pluto on the American economy, and we're going to do it with one click. So, way the Pluto works is it is a radical, aggressive, birthing and death planet, which means it is going to reincarnate your personality, your intentions, your innovations. It's going to have a massive change. It is a planet of massive change, sudden change. So that is the reason it is associated with and called as a death planet. Your existing philosophies, they die. Your physical self also dies. So does the growth and decay of a given economic factor. So here we are saying the economic factor is bullish, market is going up. You can see this. So when the Pluto hits, it will do some reincarnation of this current sentiment, and it is going to be forcing you to change. Radical change. So what can we do? So when the year starts, this is the start of the year. Everything starts with a secret point, and that is what is required to project the impact. Because remember, we're talking about change, sudden change, like birthing and death phenomena. So when the year 22 died, year 23 was born. At this birthing effect, which is right at the beginning, we are going to place the Pluto and let it walk day by day. And it will hit a certain secret spot, and we are expecting it is going to bring a radical change. So I wanted to explain that for a minute because each outer planet, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Pluto, when they come together in certain geometrical patterns, there's a huge impact which allows us to predict all these massive changes. But Pluto and Uranus and Saturn and Jupiter, as a standalone, have its own super impact as well. So that is how we are going to demonstrate this with one click, that as Pluto revolves around a certain geometrical patterns, you will see sudden changes. So for that, let's bring our tool here. And this tool, what we are going to do, we are going to use the outer planets. We have opportunity to use any of the planets. I'm going to demonstrate to you just the Pluto. So what we do all these planets you see, we can create very complex shapes and we can do all the projections, but the outer planets have a voice of its own. So we're going to use Pluto for that. All right, and as I said, we have to place why Happy New Year is so happy, because everybody's anticipating a change in energy, right? So that's what we're going to do. The change happened at the beginning of the year, and I'm going to place that Pluto at the beginning of the new year. And what are we expecting? We're expecting as Pluto travels, it has a very long cycle, but we have to then chop it into a complex geometrical shapes. Remember, we use the shapes of 3, 6, 9. The magnetic field which controls all the other numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, and 7. So that is what it is. It's pinpointed the turn right here. This is how strong Pluto is. So just wanted you to demonstrate there is a dimension sitting on top of your physical manifested rule based dimension, and this dimension sits on top, and if you find the right starting points, we can talk to these higher dimensions, higher and different energies with the wrapping through 369 models. Thank you.